So, a Pareto chart contains both line graph and bar graph, which contains bars in descending order, and ascending order cumulative total is represented by using line graph. So, first of all, we put Pareto square synthesis using sequencing option, which we have already put. Now, moving on to sheet number 2, we use team dimension and driving into columns option. We drag and drop codes measure and rows. We sort the team dimension using sort option into descending option by feet. Yeah. Now, we drag codes measure and drop it on the right hand side of the visualization that is showing lines. Now, switching over to codes 2, we under the marks code we choose line, and for the codes 1 we choose bars. Alright. Next we right click on the sum of codes second part and add a table calculation here. For the table calculation we choose calculation type as random total. We add a secondary calculation. We add here percent of total. Now, with the second part of sum of codes, we add color red to make it differentiable and distinguishable. So, in there we change the title of the visualization as random. So, this is the part. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.